Hey guys, this is Luke Thompson of the Oldfather Group of Compass Real Estate in Lewis. I'm here at my new listing, 16567 Howard Millman Lane in Milton. We're in the amenity-rich neighborhood of Paynter's Mill with a pool, beautiful clubhouse, and 3 restaurants within walking distance. This spacious single-family home is conveniently located 10 minutes to downtown Lewis and all of Delaware's beautiful beaches. Let's take a look inside. As we walk into the grand entry, we are met with impressive cathedral ceilings and this beautiful coastal theme. Just to the right, we have our formal dining room with large windows that let in beautiful natural light. The kitchen features granite countertops, gorgeous wood cabinets, and flows right into the eat-in kitchen. The open floor plan continues into the living room with plenty of space for your friends and family. It features built-in shelves, a cozy fireplace, and Hunter Douglas shades. Just off the eat-in kitchen, we have an amazing screened porch that looks out over the backyard and the oversized attached garage. This home has a spacious primary bedroom on the first floor with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom that features a soaker tub, walk-in shower, and double vanity. To the left of the entrance, you'll find an additional first floor bedroom with a vaulted ceiling and a walkout private porch. Continuing upstairs, you'll find a large loft with plenty of space for entertaining. You'll also find 2 additional bedrooms, one with its own personal bathroom, an additional full bathroom, and a bonus room. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me today. For more information on this property or others like it, you can reach me directly at luke@theoldfathergroup.com.